In this episode, I'll do a veneer repair on this bookcase. And this is the spot where I'll be doing the veneer patch. And I'll start just by getting a rough measurement of how large a piece I'll need. And this is a piece of walnut veneer. And here I'm cutting out the new piece of veneer. And I found when cutting veneer, it helps to use light pressure on the knife. If you press too hard, sometimes the knife will get caught in the grain lines and run off the line that you're trying to follow. So light pressure and just make a bunch of passes until the piece comes off. And here I'm placing the new piece of veneer over the area to be repaired and just scoring a line with the knife. And there are other ways you could do a repair like this. You could cut the new patch to match exactly the shape you're trying to repair. But in this case, I'm making the existing veneer match the new patch that I cut out, if that makes sense. Either way works. I just chose this one for this particular piece. And now I'm just cleaning up the area with a utility knife blade, just scraping it, trying to get the old glue off. And now I'll just test fit the piece, and it fits pretty well. And in this case, I'm going to use super glue to adhere this because the bookcase is made out of particle board, and there's still some glue and all kinds of residue that's embedded in there that I couldn't get out. So I got the super glue on one surface, and now I'm using this accelerator, and I'm spraying the piece of veneer that I'm going to put on, and the accelerator will make the super glue dry instantly, so I won't have to use any clamps. And now the piece is on and the glue is dry, and I'm scraping it with a blade just to smooth out that transition area where the two pieces come together. And then when I cut the patch, I left it a little wide on the sides and on the bottom so I could come in here and just cut it flush with the blade. And that's about it. I didn't get the staining process on camera for this one, but I'll try to get that in a later video. The patch looks really light here compared to the rest of the piece, but once I got a little bit of stain on it and the finish, it darkened up and it blended really nicely. So thanks for watching.